Hey Bill, it's Nate with GPS and Track. So just wanted to quickly give you a face to the name, show you the devices, the platform, pricing, and hopefully answer any questions you might have. Just real quickly, we discussed three different things. So I'll try to make it as simple as possible. We had the wireless tracker for the equipment. We had a hardwired tracker for vehicles or equipment, kind of a simpler version, and then our detailed history hardwired vehicle tracker. The wireless tracker had the 5-year battery, updates when it starts and stops moving, and then it has an aggressive tracking mode when if you're dealing with a theft scenario. Um, and then the hardwired equipment tracker, this one updates as well upon starts and stops, but can be updated on demand because it has power running to it all the time. Then the fleet vehicle tracker updates all the time, live tracking, collects every detailed start, stop, speed, route, idle times. You're going to be able to see a lot more. It's like you're in the car with them. But just to show you physically what that looks like on the platform, here is an example of the wireless tracker right here, pin trailer. When you click on it, it'll pull it up on the map. You can zoom way in and see kind of what's going on. It'll show us a number of details. So it's going to show us the device name, it's the battery percentage left on this one, satellite connection, the address that it's at. You can navigate to it through Google Maps right there. But essentially, we can just see that this one has a stationary update. It's been sitting here all day. If it had moved, it'll say either start or stop movement, and you can kind of decipher what's going on there. We can also set up geofences. This isn't just this device, but any of the trackers on here, as large or small as you need. So you could geofence the city or just a specific job. And then we can get movement alerts. You can get text if it comes or goes from the geofence. Quite a few different alerts you can set on these. But again, very simple on this tracker because it's updating on movement. The alternative, which is that hardwired equipment tracker, is here's an example right here. You see now we have this locate now button. Basically now we can go in there whenever we want, locate them, see where they're at. Battery level is now showing voltage, and you'll get an alert if that drops below something usable. So whether it's on the vehicle or equipment, and then it's also updating when it starts and stops moving. But if you look at a history, it's going to show more of like a bird's eye view because it's on starts and stops. So we see where it started, we see where it stopped. We don't see the routes in between, which leads me to that fleet vehicle tracker, which will show every start, stop, speed, route, all that stuff. I can jump in here, pull up a history, and see exactly where it was, what it was doing during a specific period of time. And it's going to be a detailed history. Oh, where did that go? All right, there we are. So this is showing us, like I said, every start, stop, speed, and route. It's basically giving us the breadcrumb trail of what they were up to. So this gives you just a lot more information as far as what they've been up to. You can see the trips, you can see the specific routes that they took at on different gaps on the vehicles turn on and off. Price wise, though, again, keep in mind we are different and unique from the competition because we don't charge monthly fees. So don't go pay monthly for your trackers. 15-20 bucks a month forever, plus even on that fleet side turns into 5, 7, 800 over the long term, 2 to 3 years. The wireless tracker came with 3 years of service included. The bulk price on it was just $229, and then $20 per year after those 3 years. The hardwired tracker came with 2 years included. This was for the equipment. It's $169 for the device, and then it's $20 per year after that. And then the highest price on them is the fleet tracker. It's $229 with 1 year included, and then $99 per year after that, just the increased data. So if you need to see anything else, want to see any additional features, please let me know. Happy to dig into it or hop on a live Zoom. You know where to find me.
Hey, it's Nate with GPS and Track. I am in the office all day waiting for you to reach out. I got my phones. I'm right next to the phone. Whatever you guys need, just give me a call. My direct is 480-292-9675. We'll just make sure you are taken care of.